I'm Coach Mia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ikaw ba yung tao na nahihirapang uminom ng maraming tubig? So, let me give you some tips how you can enjoy drinking more water. So, tip number 1, see it. So, it is helpful that we see the water that we are planning to take in a day. So, katulad ko, I always have my bottled water on my table so that I will always be reminded to hydrate. So we all know that hydration is very important as drinking it, so it helps deliver the nutrients to our cells. So of course that is according to Susan Bowerman, our registered dietitian. And of course tip number 2 is cool it. Sa mga gusto, mas prefer nila yung uminom ng water, ng cold water. So, of course, kung doon ka nag-enjoy, go for it. And doon sa mga gusto naman nila ng room temperatured water lang or yung warm, so it's up to you as long as you meet your water requirement. So, tip number 3, wake up to it. So, pagkagising mo, or before your feet hit the floor, so it is suggested na meron kang bottled water sa kama mo para nakainom ka na bago ka pa bumangon. So, very good idea, di ba? Of course, number 4 is sip to it. So, if you like or if you enjoy drinking water with a straw, so katulad nito, so mas okay kung saan ka mag-enjoy and if it is helpful for you, so go for it. Of course, number 5 is flavor it. So, for those who want to mix their water with with lemon, chia seeds, or ginger, or yung pipino, ayan. So, nagkakalasa yung tubig mo. And of course, lemon, cucumber, and chia seeds, madami siyang health benefits. So try mixing your water with some fruits. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Mas ma-enjoy mo siya. And of course, tip number 6 is track it. So, it is important that we track down kung nakakailang liters of water ba tayo in a day. Para syempre alam ba natin na kailangan pa natin dagdagan ba yung ating daily water requirement, and at least 3 liters of a day. So that is good para ma-meet mo yung daily water requirement or your hydration. So digest and feel at your best. And of course, do you know that according to Susan Bowerman, your regular tea, your regular coffee, it counts towards your hydration. And let me share with you some tips for those who having a hard time drinking plain water. Of course, our aloe concentrate can help. Ito. So, of course, with the good benefits of aloe vera. So, all you have to do is, katulad nito, meron na siyang pipino, lemon, chia seeds, but it's more refreshing when you will add our aloe concentrate. And, of course, very refreshing, and of course it also helps in the proper absorption ng nutrients. Of course, one of our digestive health products. So try, of course, mixing your water with our aloe concentrate today. And by the way, this comes in 3 flavors: the original, the mango, and the mandarin. So of course, 3 different flavors but same health benefits. For sure na you will enjoy. So try our aloe concentrate today. So digest and feel at your best. Of course, our tea. So again, your regular tea, your regular coffee, it counts toward your hydration. But do you know that of course, our beverages, it has a very important role in, of course, in achieving our health and fitness goals. But of course, with our low calorie, low caffeine, and zero sugar na tea, Of course, this will help you boost your metabolism, and of course, it boosts also your energy. So try to drink it every morning, and you can replace your coffee. And for sure, may enjoy mo siya mapa-hot or mapa-cold. So let me share with you at my tea. Napakasarap. And you can also mix also our aloe concentrate sa ating tea for a more refreshing taste. So kung mahilig ka sa iced tea, so etong ating tea, it has only 6 kcal per serving. Napakababa, diba? And also it has powerful antioxidants. So very healthy. And do you know that drinking this is already equivalent to your 20-minute workout? So if you have having hard time doing workout, so just drink our Herbalife tea and nag-burn ka lang ng calories, nakaupo ka pa lang. So that's for today. Hope you learned something from me, and of course, let me wrap it up for you. So how to enjoy drinking your water? Of course, number 1, see it. So place mo your water na kung saan lagi mo siyang makikita o nakikita, so that you will be reminded to hydrate. Tip number 2 is cool it. So if you prefer drinking cold water, so mas maganda. Number 2, wake up to it. So bago ka bumangon, mas okay na nakainom ka na ng tubig. So sa gabi pa lang, you can place your bottled water sa tabi mo, sa kama mo. Especially if you are always in a hurry, lagi ka nagmamadali. That's a good idea. Number 4 is sip it. So katulad nito, I had my drinking straw na sa aking bottled water para syempre hindi ka kumbaga nahihirapan na mag-sip. Yan. And of course, flavor it. O sabi ko nga, eto pwede kang mag-add ng lemon, ng chia seeds, or ng pipino sa iyong water. And syempre, mixing our aloe concentrate sa iyong tubig, ay nako, it is very refreshing, and for sure you will enjoy it. So you can try it. And of course, number 6 is track it. So kailangan syempre ma-meet mo yung iyong daily water requirement, diba? So pwede mo ito, katulad nito, this is equivalent to 1 liter. At syempre kung naka 3 liter ka na a day, so that's very good. So thank you very much, and hope you learned something from me. Once again, I'm Coach Mia, and if you want to know more about our products, our services, so feel free to message me para matulungan kita sa iyong health goals. And don't forget to like our page, Herbalife Independent Distributor Laguna, and syempre doon you will enjoy our health tips, motivation, inspiration to help you achieve your health and fitness goal. Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.